Trains, cranes, and troublesome trucks. The sun comes up on trains and cranes of many different sizes. The troublesome trucks are also up to no good surprises. Thomas, James, and Gordon each must make a harbor run. Small, medium, and big loads, a job for everyone. But the troublesome trucks just want to have fun, fun, fun. Today, small Thomas has a goal. Today he pulls dusty coal. Thomas must go slow, slow, slow. The troublesome trucks want to go, go, go. Thomas peeps, no, no, no. The trucks push Thomas faster, faster. The curve ahead could mean disaster. Go, 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 down the hill. Crash! Oh, what a great big spill. Thomas is off the track. Harvey comes to lift him back. Small engine, big trouble. Small crane helps on the double. Thomas can only grin and sigh as James comes rushing by. Medium-sized James pulls milk today. He has no time to talk or play. James must go slow, slow, slow. The troublesome trucks want to go, go, go. James toots, no, no, no. The trucks brake hard and then let go. A jerky, jumpy ride. Oh no! They rock and roll, and with a splash, James has a great big crash. Poor James is off the track. Rocky comes to lift him back. Medium engine, big trouble. Medium crane helps on the double. James can only grin and sigh as Gordon comes rushing by. Gordon is big, he pulls heavy freight. He must be careful and not be late. Gordon must go slow, slow, slow. The troublesome trucks want to go, go, go. Gordon chuffs, no, no, no. Down to the docks they rush without care. Before they know it, they are there. At the end of the line, Gordon cannot stop. Bang! Into the bumper the trucks flip-flop. Cranky. Poor Gordon is off the track. Cranky is there to lift him back. Big engine, big trouble. Big crane helps on the double. Gordon can only sigh and grin as James and Thomas both pull in. Thomas, James, and Gordon go back to the yard. 3 dirty engines have all worked hard. They grumble, grumble, grumble about those troublesome trucks. Splish, splash, splosh. Workers wash each one. Small, medium, big, the washing up is fun. Rub them down and make them shine. Then back to the shed looking fine. The sun goes down on Thomas and friends. A lesson was learned in the end. When trucks cause trouble, just call on the cranes. They are there on the double to help all sizes of trains.